Well, this is Howard Springs. We're going to have a look around and see what's out here to do. So Howard Springs has a number of activities: rock pools, swimming ponds, or little splash pools, playgrounds, car parking. But one of the other things is these nature trails they've got scattered around the place, and I'm on a 1.4 trail at the moment, and my thong's blown out. Not in the usual spot, in the down on the sole. It's about to tear off. Anyway, I've got my gear. I've got my Kmart hat, $5, $10 Kmart sunglasses, and we're on the adventure trail looking for some wildlife. I'm going to see what's over here. Oh, whew, that was hectic. That was really hard. I just passed a giant log. So Ollie, in case you're wondering for your video logs, your vlogs, I'm shooting this video on the GoPro. It's the GoPro 5. I'm shooting at 4K resolution, 24 frames per second. But exciting news. I'm thinking about upgrading to the GoPro 7. It's similar features, but the internal stabilization for vlogging is better. And what that also means is that you guys might get the Hero 5 to play around with. This one's for Mummy. It's the Vibrant plant. Not sure about this one though. Now if you look very closely, you might find a forest climber. Oh, what do I do for the video? The forest climber. I found it. The elusive scrub chicken. See that fly on my face? Take 2. See if we can get this scrub chicken. Here, scrub chicken. No luck with the scrub chicken, but we have found the even rarer, almost extinct. We thought these were extinct up until today. The very rare bush tap. The random bush tap. Let's see if it's working. Oh, nil action on the bush tap today, but it's good to see that they still exist in the wild. So there we have it, a bit of a trip out to Howard Springs for a look around. I hope you enjoyed the video. Pretty good place, swimming pools, a lot of nature, and just a generally fun place to go for the weekend. I hope you're having a good time in Wagga. I'm off to Howard Springs, 20 kilometers outside of Darwin. Watering hole. Yeah, I'm not very good at this vlogging thing. Anyway, hope you're having a good time in Wagga, and I will talk to you soon. Enjoy.